Hello everyone, this is Isaac from Woodsmith Co. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to pour a countertop for one of our clients. In countertops we mix different colored resins together, pour them and spread them over a tabletop. It's pretty easy to do, but it actually gives us some very beautiful designs. So let's have a look how we are doing that. So this is the tabletop where we will pour and spread the resin. You can see that masking tape is attached on all the sides to avoid epoxy leakage. We will do the pour with three colors today. This is antique green, this is metallic gold, and that one is metallic black. First we will pour and spread the metallic black over the table. Now we will blend the antique green and the metallic gold before pouring them. Unlike normal resin river tables, you have a better advantage with countertops in mixing the colors and making your own designs. We'll spread it evenly with fingers. You can now see that the colors have blended together to make a beautiful pattern. Hope that was informative. If there is anything at all that comes to your mind about countertops after watching this video, please do let us know in the comment section below. If you would like to order an epoxy table or countertop for yourself, please do fill in the link in the description below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next one.